everybody, welcome to Vanessa's daily live stream. How are you guys doing today? Come on in, thumbs up the video if you are my friend. I am here today with a Walmart haul video, a grocery haul, and a clearance haul video. So yeah, and the things that I'm going to show you on clearance alert. Make sure y'all go check out y'all Walmart to see if you can find any of these items. And I always like to recommend for y'all to shop off season. So even though these are winter items, get them now for $1 and you're gonna need them next year, okay? It's better to pay $1 for it than $10. So let's get started. I'm just gonna go get the bags as they come. These are some items that Miss Charlene bought. I think I might need to get one of these. But anyway, these were priced at $5, but they were regularly $8.98, and they are on clearance for $1. Now, it doesn't matter if the gloves don't fit the person that you're giving it to. The hat fits, the hat's gonna stretch. So this can be for an adult or a child. Just take the gloves off. And I would take this little furry thing off the top too, because I did wash. I don't know if it's the same material, but I would try washing one first and see how that does. Maybe you can wash them and don't put them in the dryer, because I washed a little furry ball, and girl, it's just like crinkled up from the heat. But so Miss Charlene got all, pretty much she got all. This one don't have no gloves, but she got all the different hats that were on clearance, because you know next year them kids gonna be need some hats, and these will make good stocking stuffers, good Christmas gifts. And so they had all different kind. I like this right here. I think I got one of these in my bag. But yeah, that brown, gray, white, black, has all the colors in it, red. So these were $1 a piece. That's the hat and the gloves together. They were $1 a piece. So that is clearance alert at Walmart. I might as well show y'all. This is my stuff in this bag. Yeah, so I got one of those hats. Then in the adult section, they just had the hats without the gloves that are $1. So if y'all just need some different hats, they had the black one, the gray and white, the black and white, and these are the pork skin rinds that you need to make the bread, carnivore bread. So I got 2 of those, because I don't want to run out of that. I want Miss Charlene to keep making that bread. So yeah, that's what I got for myself. And we got some shrimp. And then Miss Charlene got 2 different kinds of this. She got the herbs, Italian herb. So that has some seasonings in it. And then she got another one of these. And we also got bacon. Y'all know we eat a lot of bacon on the carnivore diet. And we got some shrimp. These are the shrimp with the shrimp skin on that I like. And these are the ones that Charlene like with the skin off, the tail off. And also, we got some more hats. I told Miss Charlene, you might as well get them all, girl. Because you know you be buying stuff for them kids and giving them away as gifts, even kids from church and stuff. So get them all. So all of these were $1 a piece. Yeah, they were regularly $8.98. And they're on clearance for $1. So clearance alert. So of course she got all of those. And here's another one of the one that I like. And child, she pretty much, we did clear the rack, clear the aisle. So here is one for the boys. Look like a little masked. I don't even know what cartoon character that is. Kind of look like Spider-Man or something. But yeah, these were $1 as well, and that's a pretty big hat. And she got enough if she want to give them some this year, she can, but she pretty much bought them a lot of hats for Christmas already. So they probably don't need no more. So I'm showing you these. So when you go on Walmart, it's kind of over there by the purses and the hats. It wasn't in the children's section. It was over there by the purses. And then the hats and stuff was all together. Here's another bag. Same thing. Same thing. I started to keep one of these. I like the little Minnie and the Mickey. And they got the little Minnie on the glove. Oh, they're so cute for $1. You guys, y'all better run out and go get your kids and grandchildren some hats for $1, even if they're for next year. Like, that is too cute. I love the Minnie, but she only had 2. But I was like, I want one of the minis. But I'll let the nieces and the nephews have the minis. That. Need stuff this like this and make some consolidate some of these bags. And then here's another bag, same thing. Different colors. Y'all can look out for these colors at your local store. $1 each. $1. Make you holla. It's better to pay $1 for it than $8.98 a piece. Yay. I think Charlene got this one for herself. And of course, they can wear these hats as well. So that's it for the hats, you guys. Let me see, what else did we get? We got more hats today than anything. Miss Charlene bought some of these little containers that I have used in my van to put the pine pellets in. So she got these to put her pine pellets in, and she got 4 of them. And we got these from Dollar Tree. So if y'all like these little containers, and I like them because the handle closes over the thing, keeping it from opening up, and they're perfect to just store a little stuff in. That's perfect. And then we went to Home Depot. I bought some Loctite for something I need in the van. I bought some Loctite, kind of like super glue, I heard. And then we bought 2 packages of bacon. Because we eat bacon with breakfast, we eat bacon with liver and onions. And I think that is it for our grocery haul and clearance haul, you guys. Thank y'all for watching and tuning in. Make sure you go be on the lookout for these hats at your local Walmart store. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to be notified each and every time we upload a new video or I go live. If you're not subscribed to my other channel, Vanessa's Van Life Journey, make sure you subscribe to that channel as well. And my other channel, He Answers Prayers. I will talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye now.